प्ले। अच्छा अभी बोलना है तुझे, ठीक
Have you even watched one of our videos?
है। Not fully ever, no. Only to read the mean comments. But since your partner, aka Satya, is not here, I thought aka Danav can
Danav?
replace. Yeah.
What is Danav?
I'm a beast.
Hello and welcome to another episode of So South Reacts. I am Sanjay Ponappa.
I'm Deepthi Rao and I don't know what I'm doing.
And in today's episode of So South Reacts, we'll be reacting to the official trailer. Official teaser trailer of the film Jigra, starring Alia Bhatt and Vedang Raina, directed by Vasant Bala. The film will be releasing on October 11th. So it will be clashing with Rajnikant's Vettayan and Dhruva Sarja's Martin.
Whoa, what is teaser trailer?
Even I am shocked. It either has to be a trailer or a teaser. The time, it's 2 minutes 50 seconds, so it has to be a trailer.
Trailer, yeah.
Well, we'll know. Well, let's just dive into it and then talk more.
माँ को भगवान ले गए, पापा ने खुद की जान ले ली।
It's a depressing start.
Dark already.
बना दी और भारी किराया वसूल किया। छोड़ना भाटिया सब। कहानी बहुत लंबी है और भाई के पास वक्त बहुत बहुत कम।
बहुत कम। तो उड़ा देते हैं ना साली जेल की दीवारें।
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी
सत्या।
रहना है। हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, मेरी नादा बातों को सुनती है तू ही, राहों के ये कांटे भी चुनती है तू ही।
अरे बच्चन नहीं बनना है, बच के निकलना है।
अब तो बच्चा नहीं बनना है।
Chota Bachchan.
मेरे सारे ख्वाबों की गिनती है तू ही। तू मेरा चांद है, तू ही रहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है।
Why are you laughing?
I'm getting excited.
Damn.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है।
चल।
What did you feel about it?
I was hooked, but I don't know if the ending was happy or no, so it's like exciting still.
I feel like that. So based on the teaser, the last shot in the teaser trailer, I now get why it is called a teaser trailer. That based on that, the last shot is probably something that comes at the start of the film before things get messed up. Who will go to extreme lengths to protect her brother. So I don't know. It felt like this whole thing is happening in Japan or something.
I don't know. I kept trying to figure out the
Yeah.
setting, but I guess from that one scene where she's standing and there's lights around. Is that how you're telling it? It could be
The
Japan.
lights, again, if you see the posters too, this was the first
Yeah.
poster that
Yeah.
dropped. Everything else is Japan. The biggest thing is, and again, why I got excited, why I started giggling is I'm a huge anime buff, and the storyline, the making, Alia Bhatt's look, especially that whole, the bulletproof vest and that white. One, it seemed like a PUBG look or a 4G look. And two, the whole thing, the way the story was, seemingly it seemed to be, very anime-like, which is why I'm very excited. My prediction is that Vedang Raina, the little brother, gets stuck in something and wrongly is about to be put on a death row, and the sister is out training herself, ready to get him out of the jail. Yeah. That is my prediction for this film. What do you think?
I guess, yeah. Now that you said that the ending could be the beginning and then it's all. She's cute. I mean, I can't take her seriously.
Chota Bachchan.
Yeah, she's done intense roles, but for some reason in this, it's just.
She seems, again,
But
it is that
it's
stature,
still giving
that-
out the protective sister vibes. I guess that comes off. Even, I mean, the way, when I say it's cute, I mean that it's giving that vibe. Yeah.
Chota packet, bada dhamaka. Yeah, so again, if you look at it, she gives out that vibe. She's done this before too. She's been in a Hollywood film with Gal Gadot, the spy film, and she's done a good job there as well with all the action and everything else. This was again when she was pregnant is when she did this.
Whoa.
So this film now probably she's taken proper training because it seems like she's doing a lot of heavy lifting in terms of action. It seems like it is mounted on a pretty big scale. Of course, it's Dharma production, so Karan Johar would have put in all the money. It seems like Alia Bhatt is also a shared producer in this film. So again, it is very exciting. The whole way the brother-sister song, the OG brother-sister song, that has a vibe. I personally didn't vibe with the visuals that was happening. I would have really, dug it. That would have come out if there was something that matched the speed or the hype of what was happening on screen.
Okay. No, but the song in itself, I didn't feel like it was ruined. It's
No.
a classic song
Yeah.
even after.
I love that song.
Yeah.
It's just that it didn't
Yeah,
match for me.
That-
And like bring some nice EDM, some whatever Tokyo Drift song you
Come
put
on,
it
it's
in
supposed to
there.
be
Never.
emotional. I think that worked.
I'm more excited for the action that Alia
You
Bhatt
were
will be
expecting
doing.
some anime out of Dharma production.
They gave me that vibe. It's not my fault. Wait, Vedang Raina was the singer
Whoa.
of this?
I didn't know that.
Not bad, bro. Talent.
But I don't think we'll get to see a lot of him on screen. It feels like he has a little bit of
I mean, yeah. He's the one who needs to. He's the damsel in distress in this.
If you're going to watch for the eye candy of Vedang, I guess you won't have a lot of him on screen. But
Lot of candy is bad. Bachcho sun lo. Well, that was our reaction for the teaser trailer of Jigra starring Alia Bhatt. We are very excited for the film. I am personally very excited
Me too.
because of the anime thing.
I like Alia Bhatt. I think her movies in
Yeah,
theater.
that is why you
makes
came here and
her-
sat for the reaction. No?
I wouldn't have
Otherwise,
agreed
Go do your political stuff. Well, that was our reaction. For more such interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You've been showing us a lot of love on most of our entertainment videos. Continue to do so. If you like this reaction, make sure to drop that like so that YouTube understands that you are enjoying what we are serving you. Comment what you felt about this trailer. Let us know if you liked it, what your opinion was about this. With that, I am Sanjay Ponappa
I'm Deepthi Rao.
and you are watching India Today So South.